Ndugu Kalonzo, wewe ni rafiki yangu sana. Na mimi nilisikitika kuona some upstart professor called Makao Mutua, a man whose record in academia is dubious and unverifiable, akizungumza mambo machafu juu yako. I stand here as your long-time friend to defend you. Bwana Mutua, your being with Raila Odinga does not give you the license to besmirch, abuse, and denigrate Kalonzo Musyoka. Kalonzo Musyoka is a respected former vice president of Kenya. Na sisi kama wana Kenya kwanza, tuko tayari kufanya kazi na Kalonzo Musyoka to boost our numbers. Na wewe ukimkosea Kalonzo heshima, unawakosea viongozi wa Kenya heshima. Wewe Mutua, whoever elected you anywhere, even as a village elder, you cannot and you should not and we shall not allow you to continue speaking in a disparaging manner against a respected leader in the caliber and person of Kalonzo Musyoka. Ndugu Kalonzo, don't worry, you have defenders. Huyo kijana anakutusi is a very junior lawyer. He was in first year when I was in third year. And he has never had anything to distinguish himself as a lawyer. Anybody can go to America and come back calling himself a professor. Those dubious professorships gives nobody a license to be rude to others.